If you're a New York employee getting ready to retire, the big question is going to be pretty simple, which is how do I replace my paycheck reliably and not get slammed at tax time? Most folks here are going to guess, and they're going to end up over withholding, under withholding, or they're going to miss some of these easy New York tax breaks that they didn't even know existed. So let's fix that today. Step one, what I want you to do is list your day one income sources. So start by writing down your three buckets, which is going to be your pension, that's your NYS LRS, maybe TRS or similar. And remember, these are not taxed by New York State. Next is going to be Social Security, also not taxed by New York State. Then we have your savings, which maybe is 457s, 401ks, 403bs, IRAs, brokerage accounts. This quick list is going to tell you which parts of your income are already going to be tax advantaged and which might still need a little bit of planning. Step two, I want you to evaluate New York's $20,000 pension or annuity exclusion ratio. If you're over age 59 and a half, New York may allow up to $20,000 of your qualified pension or annuity income to be excluded from state tax each year, but it's not automatic. You're going to want to evaluate whether your income type and payment schedule are going to qualify before assuming that those savings apply. If it does fit your situation, you need to use periodic withdrawals, not lump sum, and spread them across at least 2 calendar years to help maintain that eligibility. Step three, if you're under 59 and a half, I want you to think about, does it make sense to keep a bridge inside my 457? Because if I need income before 59 and a half, if I leave enough in my 457 to cover those years, it's going to allow me penalty-free withdrawals after I separate service. Then I have the option to roll the rest into an IRA, which could give me better investment choice, better downside protection, and really creating this bridge kind of gives you the best of both worlds. It gives you that liquidity early and also flexibility long term. 4, I want you to start setting smart federal and state withholdings. Make sure we're turning on federal withholding at the source, whether it's your pension, 457, or IRA. You don't want tax time surprises. And for New York, many retirees can withhold a lot less than they think. Because remember, your pensions and Social Securities, if you're a New York State employee, are exempt from New York State tax. And you might also get that $20,000 exclusion once you're over 59 and a half. So run a quick projection before looking at those default rates, whether with your accountant or using your own tax software. Step 5, automate your pay dates. You're used to getting paid on a regular basis, so pick 1 or 2 paydays each month that make you comfortable. The pensions are generally going to hit first of the month, New York tax-free. Social Security hits second, again, New York tax-free. Top that off with the 457 or IRA periodic payments. That's going to reach your target net deposit. That way, retirement's going to feel like you never missed a paycheck and will be really like how it was while you're working. Step 6, coordinate your healthcare deductions. Decide where are these premiums going to come from. Are they going to come from my pension amount, bank account, IRA, so that your net paycheck is going to stay consistent. You can even route your property taxes or insurance into a separate bills account. This is going to help keep that monthly cash flow smooth for you. Step 7, align those RMDs, required minimum distributions. So remember, the age for RMDs change. You're going to need to start taking them at age 73 or age 75, depending on the year that you were born. So you need to add that to your income plan calendar early. And if you're over 59 and a half or older, maybe it makes sense to keep using those periodic payments so that the New York $20,000 exclusion, again, if eligible, can offset part of that income. When you add this to your structure, your retirement paycheck shows up like clockwork. You don't tip the tax man by accident. So if you want my New York paycheck and retirement checklist with templates for your withholdings, payment dates, and that $20,000 evaluation guide, comment Paycheck below. I'll send it right over. And by the way, if it's your first time with me, I'm Elizabeth from Nova Wealth. We help clients create predictable, sustainable income using our 3-bucket system. I'll see you next time when we're going to map out the perfect 457 pension combo for those first 7 years of retirement.